Good morning, SMF Street Traders. Time is 6:01 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What we're going to be talking about is that gap open list on the Nasdaq. And what I have here is GYMB, that's Gymboree. I already know what's behind that one. Private equity firm may be buying those people out. Google 301, Apple 237. Oh, the bull TQQQ. That's what we've been trading all week. Now let's get down into that info systems. That's 1.69. PLC, that's a children's place. That's that kind of stock, $1.24. Okay, that's the majority of what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gaps that are at least $1 plus. 891, 3, 2. So basically what you're going to be doing is looking at that bull gap. Yesterday you were shorting the bull up there in the 114 areas. It's on the live entries. And at the same time, yesterday in pre-market, if you go to stockmarketfunding.com, pre-market futures update, you would know that that's how we've been doing it now for 8 days in a row. Yes, you've had the best rally in 71 years, 1939. We know what that whole decade in error was about as far as stock price action and how things can repeat themselves. And, you know, the thing about it is now that we've ran this far, there's still an upper piece of the market that we can go test. In our SMF platform, it tells us where those prices are. We already know. So the thing about it is let's exclude GYMB because it's a different type of gap. So let's establish that gap. Private equity firm buyout on it. Stay away from it. Let's start working where Google, Apple, Amazon, Priceline, Baidu, First Solar. Again, take a look at FCX. Because of that PMI being positive out of China, probably have to go and we're going to look in the commodity-related names, a couple of them. See how overbought or how oversold or where their breakouts are, because we could be getting a good move there. And there'll be good moves. But just remember one thing. Price action has been made every morning. Once they go up, the buyer's not there. They slide that SMF bar. That's that price action. Your MMT pricing level will tell you so. And the platform will give you the voice alert that you need to make your transactions. And let's be aware that we want to focus on the ones that have been selling into those tops for the last several days. Because that's what they've been doing. That's exactly what they've been doing. Every single day, we have weighted the bull and we have weighted the bear. And as an SMF MMT, that keeps you neutrally weighted and balanced correctly within your trade management and volume entry management structure in the actual trades. The system shows you the pricing controls. It shows you where those lines are. It even populates them for you on the chart. How nice. Made it where you don't, all you have to do is push a button and there's the lines. Those are price action lines in your SMF platform. I guarantee you that that platform, as you witness it every day, will be 100% accurate as to the dollar price action control system. Dollar price action control system is where the price is holding that value for a period of time. Then it's going to change at some point within that time structure. So basically, as you look at the broader trend, you want to look at the 3, 6, 9, 12s, and you want to take a look at the full 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 patterns up, slide the bid, they pull back to another half bar, they set up, and the SMF platform pricing control system will show you that that would be the direction it would go in, and that's when you would get on your trade. Okay? So welcome to the Nasdaq Gap Open Up list. Let's go to the Gap Open Down. Wow. What a mathematical imbalance ratio between the Gap Open Down and the Gap Open Up. So right there between the Gap Open Down versus the Gap Open Up is where you can see where the majority of the crowd is, MMTs. And the platform was designed for you to have precise control entries exactly where the public is engaging at prices within your platform. So when they're not going to be there, well, then the market makers and whatnot and the electronic tapes and all of that, this new flash trading, it's all mathematical, by the way. But remember, we're going to short the positive gaps when they make their highs and when the system says, okay? So we're going to have fun and we're going to enjoy. And that is the Gap Open and Down. And go ahead. Well, you already have your platforms ready. Going to be taking a look at where this one makes a bottom. Okay, this one's got to make a bottom. That's the short one there. And then vice versa. We have to have one that shows you the other side of it. And what would that be? We already know what it is. And that's the bull. You can see it. TQQQ gap up. And there it is. Okay. Once the market is open, it's all about price action. We'll be updating you in the live trading room, on the live trading floor room there. Naturally, everyone, what we're going to do is see what happens. Remember, we're going into an earnings season as well. And the thing about it is, pricing control systems move in both directions. They both move to one side and the other. They go up and they go down. Have a good trading day. SMF MMTs.